We're excited for our students to return to campus, and we're working round the clock to ensure the health and safety of our entire RAM family. As we prepare for your return, we are actively practicing, testing, and implementing all precautions recommended by local, state, and CDC officials. First, face coverings over your nose and mouth will be required while on campus. This includes in the classrooms, labs, and all common areas. We will provide on-campus students with an Angelo State face covering. There will be multiple locations on campus where you can pick one up. We also recommend bringing a couple of face coverings with you. Please make sure they are appropriate and not offensive to others. Second, daily wellness screenings will also be required. You will be provided an electronic wellness badge once you've completed your screening. Be ready to show your badge at class and campus activities. If you experience symptoms associated with COVID-19, you'll be able to download and use the Shannon On Demand app to receive medical advice and determine whether or not you need to be tested. Third, as recommended by the CDC, ASU has purchased several high-quality disinfecting sprayers that will be used to help sanitize campus locations. These sprayers are designed to thoroughly coat areas with EPA-approved, environmentally friendly disinfectant. We've always worked hard to keep Angelo State clean, but this fall, we're working even closer with our partners across campus to make sure classrooms and spaces are sanitized regularly. We are also adding hand sanitizer and sanitizing wipe stations throughout campus. In addition, we will also be implementing social distancing protocols. We're doing this in a couple of different ways. We've reduced classroom capacity. Signage will be placed throughout campus reminding you to socially distance and note 6-foot markers between you and the people around you. Directional signage will be used in hallways and stairwells to assist with traffic flow. Plexiglass barriers have been installed throughout campus in customer-focused areas for additional protection. We cannot emphasize this enough. If you're not feeling well, please stay home. Your professors will work with you to make sure you can complete your coursework. Our ultimate focus is to do everything in our power to ensure the health and safety of each and every one of our RAM family members. It's important to keep in mind, as members of the RAM family, we are all part of something much bigger than ourselves. It's up to all of us to do our part to keep our campus community healthy, especially this fall semester. So wash your hands, keep your distance, and wear your mask. We'll see you on campus soon. Go Rams!